Hey guys, look what I got here. I'm going to unbox this one. This is going to be a great flashlight to work outdoors in your cars. It's called HOTLIGH. So HOTLIGH sent me this, and we're going to open it up. So idea for this HOTLIGH is that this one's a good one to work in the night when you need a flashlight, such as you break down in your car, mechanic, you need to do something with your vehicle, you're stranded somewhere at night. This is the one that you want to have out there. Wow, you know what? This one's solid, really solid, um, very strong metal. It's got a magnetic here, so you can actually attach it anywhere. I think here, let me grab this. Here is the one that you actually, okay, this is where you charge it. And this is where you turn it on. There's a button right here, you turn it on. So you click on it. Or actually, you could tilt this, I think. Okay. Oh, I have it locked, that's why. So it's got different, let me see if I could zoom into this. So you guys could look at it. Can't get it zooming, but there it is. It's got five different modes. See that? See that flashlight in the front? And then it's got a UV light. So this is awesome. So you could actually have different modes. You could change it. And it's got a bright light and a white light. This is pretty awesome. And when you have the lock, I don't know if you guys can see, that's where you actually turn it off. But then you press it here, it turns on, and you can go higher and low. See that? Bright, then it darkens, and then turns off. So that's awesome. Here's the other light. This one has a different mode too. Bright, then smaller bright. So this is good. Comes with the USB charger, and it gives you a manual, a quick start. It tells you what it has. So this flashlight is rechargeable. It's got UV light. It has a LED bar light. It has a battery indicator, charging port, and it rotates. And you can use this outdoors, or if you're a mechanic or you want to change your tire or something, you could actually use this flashlight, and this one will really help you. And it's got 1,500 lumens in 4 hours, 250 lumens in 10 hours. And it's got the warm bar, 150 lumens for 4 hours and 250 lumens for 10 hours. And the front spotlight, it has 150 lumens. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then it's got for 24 hours, and then it's got 50 lumens for 32 hours. And it's got a UV light. Battery's Leon, and it's got 21.7 hype. And it's got IPX5, and the material is aluminum. But it's solid strong. I'm telling you guys, this thing really strong. So here's a manual. I'll put it in here. I don't know if you guys really saw that. I was trying to zoom in on the description, what it contains. But let's grab this. And this is the charger. And you're gonna charge it right here, right about there. And you could also, it has a little hanger, you can hang it. See this? Nice. Let's try it out. So look at this. If you actually have a flat tire, you need light, here it is. This is the solution. You can change your tire with this flashlight. You don't need nobody to hold a flashlight or something. And if you need more light in the trunk, this is the one you want to hang up in there. This is the one you want. Now here's a light in the front, on the front of the hood. See how it works great? You can actually hang it with this, and it works perfect. You could actually also use this part right here. See how it holds? And then you could actually use it the other way, like this. Now this is perfect because it's got a magnet underneath right here, and it holds. And I try to pull it out. See that? It holds straight. So if say you're working in here, you could actually use this light, move it around. Look at that. See how this thing holds perfect? And sometimes, this light, you need to actually check your oil and see how, if you need oil in your car, just put it next to it like this, and then you can check your oil. This is a must-have tool for your car or for a mechanic to actually have it in handy. Now, if you want to actually, let's try another different mode. That's the bright white light. And let's try something else. Let's actually try the front. See the front? Now, if you want to see something deep in your car in there, you could actually use this as a flashlight. See that? So it's got that. Now it's got a UV light too. Right there. See the UV light?